कलंगूट पंचायत क्षेत्रातल्या एंट्री पॉइंट्सा संबंधी कलंगूटे पंचायतीन पास केल्ले थारावाचेर सरपंच जोसेफ सिक्वेरा हाणें खोलायेन उलोवप केले। हो थाराव फक्त जीप, ट्रॅक्स, बस सारकी वाहनां घेवन कलंगूटे येता तांकां लागू जाता अशें कलंगूटे पंचायतीचो सरपंच जोसेफ सिक्वेरा हाणें सांगलें। पर्यटक पार्किंग वाठारांत वा उक्त्या सुवातेर जेवण करतात आनी कोयर थंयच उडोवन वतात। तशेंच नो पार्किंग जाग्याचेर गाडयो पार्क करतात ताका लागून येरादारीचो प्रश्न उप्रासता। पर्यटकांक दंड दिवपाचो अधिकार पंचायतीक ना जाल्यार पर्यटन खातें दंड दिवंक शकता अशें सिक्वेरा हाणें स्पश्ट केलें।
There is no notification as such. There is a resolution adopted by the panchayat. See, what happened is that there was a lot of issue in Kalangut. Now, all the stacks persons who comes in tracks, buses, right? They come, they loiter around at night. They go to different restaurants. They term them as a what you can say. They term them as a dance bar or a club, right? There they go, and then they make a lot of issue. They were beaten up, their money is taken, and then they blame the panchayat or the authorities in power. Second point, when they come, see, the whole issue is that, first of all, I want to bring to your kind notice that we have taken a resolution as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act. And as per the Goa Panchayat Raj Act, we can't impose this. We have to ask the higher authorities to give us the permission. So that is why we have written this to the collector of North Goa. Then we have written to the commissioner of police, the Department of Home. That is the main important thing. Department of Home and the director of tourism, because tourism is directly involved in this village. So based on this, if I get these NOCs, then I will be implementing this order. If not, then I can't do it. People come with all these buses and those tracks. They loiter, they go on the beach, sleep on the beach. The next day they use the toilet, the public toilet. The next day they get up and then they go off. In the meantime, the night what they have done, we don't know. They get beatings, they drink, they do all this nonsense. That is why we have put this in the place, that let us put something in the place.
The resolution passed by the village panchayat of Kalangut, I feel they are very much concerned. जे कितें मेस जाता कलंगुटान, थोडे जाण ट्युरिस्ट अशे येतात की व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो हांड्यो, सिलिंडर, मदेकातूच सिलिंडर काडटा पार्किंग लॉटान आनी थिंगा रांदपाक चालू करता. आनी हे आमी वयर आनी आदी पासून आदले पंचायतीक सांगलेले की हे सगळे तुमी लिफ्ट करून हाडपाक जाय. ते सिलिंडर जे कितें हांड्यो विंड्यो कितें आहा ते सगळे लिफ्ट करपाचे. इट इज व्हेरी गुड मूव. Now, people who are coming in Kalangut, whether they are tourists who will be staying or just tourists, or जे कितें neighboring stateसून ते गाडयो घेवन येतात, तांकां स्टॉप करूंक जायना. आतां तांकां पंचायतीन कितें करचें पडटलें, पार्किंग लॉट जे आहा ते वेल मेंटेन करचे पडटले, ते रेंटाक हें घेवचें पडटलें, तेजे चार्जीस घेवचे पडटले, आनी they may not be allowed to take a vehicle inside. Let them park there and go walking. Or go with other tourist vehicle. म्हणजे थिंगा पार्किंगाक आमकां मोठो प्रॉब्लम जाता. That becomes a total chaos and mess, especially on weekends. And there are certain tourists which I just told you that they are bringing all their utensils and cooking and ते काने, बटाटे सगळे कातरून भितरून ते अशे मारून चालले. ते जेयता प्लेटी घेवन ते पेपराच्यो त्यो जेयले उपरांत उरता ते जेवण थिंगा सांडटा पार्किंग लॉटान.